Imagine making million-dollar marketing decisions using a model built on yesterday's world. Many subscription businesses do just that, trusting their predictive models far longer than they should or only fixing things when campaigns stumble. This silent threat is called model drift. Over time, as markets shift and customer behaviors evolve, models guiding retention, acquisition, and offers become less accurate. But what drives model drift, and how can you spot it before it harms your business? First, let's break drift down into 3 types. Data drift means your inputs, the characteristics of customers feeding your model, start to change. Maybe younger audiences are subscribing less, or new advertising channels bring in customers unlike any before. Concept drift is subtler. Even if the data looks the same, its meaning may shift. Think about engagement metrics during volatile times, economic changes, new content fatigue, or subscribers becoming more picky about paid options. Policy drift comes from within, changes in your business itself. Launching new bundles, tweaking offers, or adjusting your marketing approach can break alignment between your model's logic and today's strategy. So how can you detect model drift before it costs you? Subscription leaders are learning from credit risk modeling, where 3 metrics matter. Population Stability Index checks if your model's score distribution has changed. Characteristic Stability Index flags changes in predictor variables in your model, and Outcome Drift spots declines in actual versus expected results. Together, they shine a bright light on what's changing and how urgently you need to act. But what if your data is limited, highly seasonal, or spread across niche segments? That's where synthetic data steps in. By creating artificial benchmarks that simulate new products, offer strategies, or even economic shocks, teams can stress test models and prepare for the unexpected, proactively, not reactively. To build a culture of resilience, leading businesses adopt a few core practices. Don't wait years or for crises to review models. Instead, monitor and retrain quarterly. Embrace a challenger, champion model, letting new approaches prove their value before replacing old ones. Document every drift and decision for transparency and continuity, and bring business teams into the analytical fold so changes in policy are anticipated, never a surprise. The pace of change in subscription markets demands more than routine maintenance. Continuous model monitoring delivers early warnings, stronger ROI, and a direct link between analytics and strategy. By treating model stewardship as a strategic pillar, not just a technical chore, you gain the confidence that every model guiding investment is ready for the future. In today's dynamic landscape, proactive drift management isn't just best practice, it's essential for success.